Managing construction projects can feel like juggling 100 tasks at once. There is budget, schedule, subcontractors, and compliances requirement. So, what if there was a way to bring all these moving parts into one platform? So, yeah, and there is. It is called Autodesk Construction Cloud, right? The ultimate tool for streamlining workflows, improving collaboration, delivering projects in one time and within budgets. So in this video, we will walk you through how to use Autodesk Construction and how you can access it and why you should access it, whether it's a good fit or not, right? And before we get started, let's break down. Obviously, I want to break down what's make Autodesk Construction Cloud stand out. According to their website, Autodesk Cloud Construction is an all-in-one platform designed specifically for construction professionals, offering tools to streamline operations, improve visibility, and drive better outcomes. You can plan, track, and execute projects with tools for scheduling, documents management, and task assignment. You can track budget, invoices, and expenses in real time to ensure profitability, right? And there's a lot more features. And first of all, before going to the creating an account, you have to just go to the pricing. I mean, not have to, but you should, because it's important. And you can see here, there's a different price. For example, virtual design and construction, pre-construction, construction operation. So there's another, this is a bundle, and if you want price by product, then you can just get the pricing. And obviously the pricing is different for every businesses here, so you can just get a quote from them. And to get a quote, you have to call on this number or click on the top right side corner, click on get demo. You have to fill up this complete form and click on get a demo. And once you just fill up all this information, this is a page where you will land up. Now here you can just go and click on thank you, we will be in touch, and you can just go and click on try for free. Now here, obviously, so before there was not any option before try now. So for example, let me show you one by one. So this is a build. It is a comprehensive fill and project management software that deliver a broad, deep, and connected set of tools for builders. That is what written. So here just go and click on try now, and here just enter your email, right, and click on try for free, right? And it will just build your account. So you need to create an account. So let me just create my account here, right? And you have to confirm the email. Let me just enter, and after that you have to create a password. Now click on create account and just go and click on save. Right now you will get an email, which is just I got an email from Autodesk. Here click on verify your Autodesk account, right? And here you will get this option of verify email. Now you can just verify your email. It is verified. Now click on done. Now automatically you will able to use this account. Click on sign in, click on password. So I've already saved the password here. Now we can just access the complete dashboard. So yeah, obviously it's for free, but once you're okay with it, you can try this out. Now here I will just enter the company name. Now select the company type. So for example, whether it's a general contractor, subcontractor, owner, architecture, engineer, or other, right? So let's say I will just go and select here owner. Job title is, let's say, project or something like that. I will select, right, construction manager, and then you have to enter the number and click on get started. Now here you will able to access it. Now click on get started. So this is a dashboard. On the top left side corner here you can see this is my home and everything, where you can product picker, where you can switch between products, and within the 30 days Autodesk build trial you can use docs and everything. There's a lot of features. So let me just close this up. Now here, okay, so again, how many information we just need to fill this up. So this is important. So let's say I will just write here company name here, and job title I have already selected, but I don't know why they're asking me account again and again here. Now let's say company type is owner developer, and click on save. You can select more than one. Now here the dashboard is really good because it helps you to tailor the dashboard to fit your workflow by adding widgets like project timeline, financial summaries, or task list, right? You can import data. I mean, you can use Autodesk import tool to bring all these forms, right? So if you have been using some other softwares, right, other documentation, you can import it here. You can set this permission. So let's go one by one. So here this is a home which you will find it. If you want to switch the account, you can switch it from bill to docs to cost management to insight. So let's say we will just explore one by one here. Now this is a doc. Now here you will find all your files, right? It's take a slight seconds to refresh this page. Obviously there's no documents, that's why it's not showing up here. Now this is specifications, right, which you will find it here. Then if there's some of the documents, or if there is some of a contract or something which is in the review, so you will find in the review sections the transmittals. And if there's some kind of issue, you will find it here, right? Then there's a report. So report is something where you make something, so you can just create an issue here. It gives you a template, so just go and click on search here. So I don't think they're providing any template right now. So if you don't have a template, that's fine, you can still make it from scratch here. So the title is already given commission, you can always edit it out. The status is open. Now, for example, if I just want to make it in the draft section, so I can just make it in the draft. There's a description, so I can describe it. And this is assignee, so I will just assign myself here. And then there's a location. I can add the location. If you have more than one team member, then you can just add them in the vouchers or assignee. Location details, the due dates and the placement and everything. Make sure you have uploaded your documents and click on create. Now, once you just go and click on create, this is how it's look. Now it is unpublished because it was in the draft, that's the reason. Now here you will find a lot of information, you can always edit this. There's an activated log, right? And all the issue will show up here. For example, this is issue number 1. So as you can see here, id number is generally unique. Now in the report section, you will find all the reports and everything, right? So you can create reports or reviews or everything from here. Now this is a member, so let's go to the member tab here. And right now I'm the only one who have the access, but I can give the access to my other members. For example, I can add a member from here, right? I just need the email and I can give them an invitation link and they can join me in the Autodesk, right? So that is really nice. You can just enter your email, right? Your colleague's email. Now this is a bridge. So bridge is what, something which will help you to connect and bridge between the connection between the two projects. So bridge allow you to easily share projects, contacts such as sheets, files, folders with other projects on and accounts, right? So project administration can create bridges that will appear here or where you share or sync to other projects. You can automatically create a project. So that is really nice, right? Now let's go and switch back to the build, because I think the doc information is enough for you, right? And once you just keep investing the time on the softwares, or your team member will do automatically, they will know it, even though if there is a newbie or just someone experienced guy. Now here you can see there's a lot of projects which is going and it will show up here. So the home is which will give you some of the description details in short, right? So it will you can call it as a eagle eye or brief description or brief information about each and everything. So you can just scroll up and you can just get it. Now this is sheets. So sheets is really important, right? Now here you can just find a lot of sheet which is right now added here. So for example, this is a graphic symbol. I can just open it up, right? And I can access it. And I also have this some of this markups option where you can mark it, and my team member will get to know here. I can zoom out, I can zoom in, and I can edit this. I can add a text or completely editable stuff, right? So I can just do whatever I want, and obviously I can tag my team members there too. Now this is a files. I hope you know this. So files is generally a file where all your documents you can store in a single folder, right? And once you make a file, you will find it here. Specifications is regarding for a particular project, which you will find it here. And for each you can just make it, you can filter it, you can search it, and then the version set, issuance date, receive date, and every information you will find it. Issues I've already explained. Now let's move to the form section. Now in a form section, you can just create your own form here, right? And which can be really beneficial. So you can just create a form. So on the top right, you can create in a daily report, daily safety inspection, and there's a two or four information, I mean four options, there's a more. And here you can just create your own. Now this is a photos. I'm pretty sure you know what is photos, and you can just use the photo section here, right? And you can just add your photos of your project, right? For example, if any project is in the pre-construction or mid-construction, you can add it here. This is RFIs, so you can just get it here, the information regarding it, and you can just create the RFIs titles, right? And same goes for more information, right? For example, you can schedule a meeting and submittals, correspond the emails and schedules, the assets, the reports, and everything, right? So this is in the build. So obviously, when there's a project which is going to happen or which is going to be in the construction, that is what the build is made for, and it almost fulfill all your requirements and the need. Now, this is a cost management. Now here, obviously, all the construction requires some kind of a budget, specific budget. Now this is where it comes for, right? So what's the budget for each project? What's the cost? You can change the orders. You can forecast by using all the data, right? And you can just get to know that how much this project is going to cost before even before even you conceive it, right? And this is a file, so you will obviously these are some of the files and reports and everything. So report segment section is almost in everywhere. Now the one thing which I really like, that is the insight tab is much more useful because it gives you all this information. Sometimes it's take a time to load. Now in the Insight tab, you will get your project address, the site weather, right, the RFIs, and which is currently assigned to you, and the issues and everything, and you will get it here. And in the dashboard Insight tab, we have only the dashboard and the reports tab, which you can just get it here, right? And this is it. I think there's no more such explanation where you need. Obviously, it's completely up to you that whether you will find it. It's a good choice for you or not. So there, this is it. There you have a complete step-by-step guide to use Autodesk Construction Cloud to manage project and collaborate very efficiently. Whether you're tracking budgets, managing schedules, and analyzing performance, Autodesk Construction Cloud has a tool to help you succeed. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.